Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website, you can get more exposure out by your competition, and of course, get more patients. So first things first, I have your website pulled up here, and the first thing that I have to suggest is you could use a little more of content. And by content, in this case, I mean more words. Uh, Keep in mind that when you add content, it has to be original, it has to be relevant, and it has to include the keyword that you want to be found for, especially here on the homepage, because here's where Google will pick most of the information. Of course, you have some pages like I see here, for example, general dentistry. Definitely, yes, you seem to have a good amount of content, but is it including the keyword that you want to be found for? We don't, I'm not sure because I haven't seen the whole thing, but if we look on the back end of your website, you're only being found for 40 keywords. And from this 40 keywords, you're getting 49 searches, 49 visits a month, I'm sorry. And you have 720 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website and will give you power so you can be found on Google as well. Now, if these backlinks are relevant and they're powerful, they will increase the domain rating and the URL rating. But since not all links are created equal, if they're not relevant, if they're not powerful, and especially most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, this will be completely useless. So let's take a look here and see the keywords that you're being found for. And we can see, for example, dentist, Chatham, New Jersey. There's an average of 70 searches a month. And this is not updated, but I saw that you on the, I think it's the 6th or 7th spot. And you're losing spots right now. So keep that in mind because whatever backlinks are you getting from, they're probably not doing what they're supposed to. Instead of helping you, they're bringing you down over there. Advanced Dentistry in New Jersey, 40 searches a month, and you're on the second page. But it doesn't seem that you have that many relevant keywords. So that's something you want to consider. And if I go to Google and do a search for dentist Chatham, New Jersey, you're going to see the first thing, the map section, and this is where you want to be because right here will definitely increase the chances of you getting more customers into your uh, office. And then we have the organic results, number one, number two, number three, number four, number five, and you are right here on the sixth position. So for your reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't even pass these top three and these top three over here. That means that they don't even go through all the way down, not even to the second or third page. So you can be missing a lot of opportunities here. And depending on where what are the areas that you want to cover, it doesn't need to be just this location over here. It can be Freehold, Princeton, depending on which areas are closer to you, or even if they're close, you can still target it. So for the purpose of the video, I want to pull out this website and see why are they ranking number one. So the first thing you can see here is that they don't have that much content, so that could be a really good advantage to you. And it's kind of a weird layout of a website. Um, if you would agree with me, but you can see that they have more pages over here, meet us with new office presentation treatments, and it seems to be done really, really in a different way, but still, if we look on the back end of their website, they're being found for 154 keywords. That's bringing them 140 visits a month, and they have 49 backlinks now. Again, this backlinks probably doing their job in comparison to what you have here. Let's see. You have 720. So probably the packages that you have are not doing what they're supposed to, or they're not relevant, and it's actually affecting the rating of your website, and you can see that because you're not ranking number one, and these guys were only 49 backlinks, and the keywords they have here are actually ranking number one. Let's take a look at the keywords, and of course, right here, the ranking number one is 70 searches a month, and from these 70 searches, 22 are going straight to their website. So something that you want to take into consideration. This one, Chatham Dentist, 200 searches a month. They're ranking number seven. I'm sorry, they're ranking number nine, just seven going to their website. But a lot of opportunity that you can take advantage of the volume of searches. It can definitely will help you out. And I don't want to make this video too long, so if you like what you hear, if you think we can help you out, because we can definitely help you out, or even if you have any questions about how all this works, I'll be happy, more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Information will be attached to your email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.